Hey guys, Mason with P&P Small Engines. Are you searching for the perfect gift this holiday season? Well, look no farther than Stihl's affordable, high-quality tools under $50. These practical and durable options are perfect for the hardworking individuals in your life. First on the list are the ProMark Hearing Protectors, part number 70108840510, designed for superior sound dampening and long-lasting comfort. Here's why they make an excellent gift for anyone working with loud machinery or in a noisy environment. With a noise reduction rating of 29, these hearing protectors provide outstanding protection against loud machinery and heavy noise environments, helping safeguard your hearing for years to come. The padded stainless steel spring wire headband maintains consistent pressure for a secure, comfortable fit. It's designed to stay in place, preventing unwanted noise leakage even during active work. Built to handle tough outdoor environments and demanding conditions, the ProMark hearing protectors are a gift of both safety and reliability that your loved ones will appreciate every time they work. Priced at $42.99, this is the perfect investment to protect the hearing of a loved one for years to come. Next up is a Stihl Multi Tool, part number 00008815501. A compact gadget that packs versatility in your pocket. This multiple tool has a 19mm and a 13mm socket, perfect for tightening the nuts on most Stihl chainsaws or removing the spark plug. Comes with a large flathead, a small flathead, a Phillips, and a T27 torque head, whether you're tuning up your chainsaw, fixing equipment, or handling everyday tasks. This multi-tool is a must-have. It even comes with a belt holder, making sure you don't lose it while out working. For $39.99, it's a great tool for the value. For those who run Stihl equipment, the 6-pack of Stihl 26 HPU oil is a practical gift. This high-performance oil is specially formulated to protect engines and extend their life. Its precise blend helps reduce wear and tear while improving overall efficiency. This 6-pack has 6 1-gallon mixed bottles, making fuel mixture at 50 to 1 with 1 gallon of fuel easy. A great stocking stuffer for anyone who loves to keep their tools running smoothly. And at $15.25, it's the best oil to run in your Stihl equipment. For gardening enthusiasts, the PP10 hand pruners are an essential tool. Part number 00008820704. These lightweight pruners are engineered with precision ground blades for clean, smooth cuts on stems and branches up to 3/4 inch thick. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue, making it perfect for extended use. Cutting blade that is designed to be sharpened or replaced once the edge gets dull. Whether it's shaping plants or harvesting herbs, this tool is as reliable as it is comfortable. A great gift idea at $18.99. The PS10 pruning saw is the perfect companion for quick and precise pruning tasks. Part number 00008820901. Designed for lighter to medium duty use, this saw makes maintaining your garden or yard a breeze. The compact 5 3/4 inch blade is crafted from high quality steel, making it ideal for cutting smaller branches with ease and accuracy. Its fine-tooth design ensures smooth, clean cuts, minimizing damage to plants and promoting healthier regrowth. Weighing just enough to feel solid in your hands, this saw is lightweight and easy to carry, making it perfect for quick jobs or working in tight spaces. The comfortable grip handle reduces hand fatigue, allowing you to work longer without discomfort, and the folding blade allows for compact and safe storage. For tougher tasks and larger branches, the PS30 pruning saw, part number 00008820902, offers enhanced cutting power and durability, making it a must-have for more demanding pruning jobs. With a larger 6.5 inch blade, the PS30 provides additional reach and cutting capability, allowing you to take on thicker branches with confidence. The curved blade design enhances cutting efficiency, making it easier to get through tough wood with fewer strokes. Made from premium steel, the PS30's blade stays sharp longer, ensuring consistent performance season after season. The ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a secure grip for precise control even in challenging conditions. It's designed to minimize fatigue, letting you work comfortably for extended periods. And just like the PS10, the folding handle offers compact and safer storage, with the blade not being exposed. Both of the pruning saws, PS10 at $25.99 and the PS30 at $39.99, are a perfect gift for gardeners, landscapers who value high quality tools. With their durable design and superior performance, these saws are built to handle any pruning job with ease. The Stihl Woodcutter Camp and Forestry Hatchet, part number 7010-881-1908, is the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're preparing for a camping trip, working on the farm, or simply tackling tasks around the home, this hatchet delivers performance and reliability in a compact package. Weighing just enough for effective cutting, this hatchet is designed for portability without sacrificing power. Its lightweight build makes it perfect for on the go, from camping adventures to backyard projects. Crafted with a sturdy ash handle, this provides a comfortable and durable grip, ensuring that you have control and precision with every swing. The 1.3-pound cutting head is engineered for optimal balance, allowing for smooth, efficient splitting and cutting. Whether you're clearing brush, splitting small logs, or preparing kindling, this hatchet gets the job done effortlessly. At 15.75 inches in length, it's the ideal size for transportation and versatile use. Its manageable dimensions make it a must-have tool for any camper or adventurer. This hatchet is a trustworthy tool for handling a variety of outdoor tasks with ease. Don't head into the great outdoors without a Stihl Woodcutter Camp and Forestry Hatchet. For $34.99, this hatchet is compact, durable, and ready for adventure. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves to work or play in the wild. This holiday season, give the gift of quality and practicality with Stihl tools under $50. Perfect for gardeners, DIYers, and anyone who values top-notch gear. If you'd like to get any of these tools before the holiday, check them out in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Have a great day.